So I decided to make another short video of some of my modded RadioShack and Tyco RCs. I picked all these guys up at local thrift stores, and they all have servos mounted in them. Unfortunately, I don't have enough radio gear to go around, so this guy here I picked up from the thrift store maybe 2 weeks ago. It's a RadioShack 4-wheel drive monster truck. I'm going to be making a video of a test run of this guy later today. Got a Traxxas steering servo mounted. And didn't have a whole lot of room to work with, so I mounted the speed control and a small 650 milliamp 9.6 volt airplane battery in the back, and I'll be testing this guy out later this afternoon when I have a camera person. Neat old truck, love the vintage stuff. This guy here I got from a thrift store a couple of years back. Another vintage RadioShack truck, Toyota Land Cruiser. They certainly don't make them like they used to. So, servo mounted. Just no speed controls and radio gear in it at the moment, but I will pull radio gear and a speed control out of another vehicle to test that guy. And on to the RadioShack Jeep Renegade. Once again, another cool vintage truck. Picked this guy up from the thrift store a few months back. Pretty cool looking little truck. And once again, don't have radio gear to put in this guy right now, but you can see the servos all mounted and ready to go. Another vintage oldie. And last but not least, this is a tyco eliminator that I've slightly customized with a RadioShack shell. It's a cool looking shell, or body should I say. Servo's all mounted. Just needs a speed control and a radio. I will be pulling radio gear out of other vehicles to test these, but I am going to get a video of that guy there later this afternoon.